Team Zeus, man, we back, man. We finally got the cam done. We finally got some supporting mods with the cam. As y'all can see by the thumbnail, man, we pushing some more power now. But y'all waited long enough, man. I'm not even about to get sidetracked. We not even about to start talking, man. We about to just get right into it. Hold on. Y'all have already seen, if y'all been watching my shorts, y'all already seen like the startup of the cam and what it sounds like. So, but I'm gonna give y'all a startup of how it is inside the car. Hold on real quick. Do y'all hear the difference? All right, y'all. Yeah, man, Zeus is chopping now. We about to go on a little drive, man. Sport mode is so comfortable now. It's not even funny. Like, I don't think I'm ever putting my car back into track mode. Like, I will, but like for everyday driving, it ain't no really need. It's no need to. Like, sport mode gives me everything I need and more now. And it just feels so much faster. Like I'll press on the gas pedal and like the car, I don't know, it's weird. Like, it'll just project me further than it ever did before. But hold on, I'm gonna give y'all a little bit of noise. It's still popping. Watch the downshift. So much more aggressive now. Like that third to second gear downshift would take forever. Like, and for it to sound like that and for it to shift like that, I would have to be going like 60, 70 miles per hour just for it to slow down. But now it slows down when it needs to. Like when it needs to. Wasn't even flooring it. I know people say that all the time in their videos, but yo, I'm so serious. I was not flooring it. I was probably like halfway down on the throttle. Like, it's this shit is effortlessly fast now. Those are sport mode downshifts. I gotta keep emphasizing that, because it's like, it sounds like it's shifting hard, but it's really not. Like, it's actually kind of soft. But Yeah, man. Hold on, I'm gonna pick y'all back up in a minute. Just listen to this. Hold on. I'm gonna roll all the windows down. Hold on. Yo, what I tell y'all, I'm so happy, bro. Like, that's all I wanted for 2 years, bro, for the car to shift like that. Like, so I can get back into the power band immediately. As soon as I shift, I press the gas and I go. I don't have to sit here and wait for the RPMs to settle just to get back into the power band to get up and go again. Like, it sounds like and it feels like it's an actual race car now. Like, bro, y'all gotta be in the car. Like, just hearing that shit off the damn trees is crazy. I ain't even gonna lie, y'all. Like, it's so much louder now. Like, it's not like when I'm driving it still sounds the same, but it's like you can hear the roar of the exhaust a little bit better now. Who says Mopars can't take corners? This shit is screaming, y'all. Like, just listen to the exhaust, man. This shit is too fun, yo. This shit is so fun, man. Got a little sideways. Hold on. Oh my God, man. We gonna finish the POV off with a beautiful view of the beach. I ain't gonna make too much noise in this area. There's people in the area, but look at everybody looking. gonna make the video long. Like I said, I'm not trying to make it long, but yeah, man, I appreciate y'all tuning in. Like I said, it's been a long time since I posted. It's been like a month. Hold on, I gotta get the outside view of the car. Hold on, y'all gotta hear it chopping. Yeah, man, but like I said, I appreciate y'all tuning in, man. Like, subscribe, comment, please, it's free. Like, subscribe, comment if you like the content. And yeah, I'm gonna see y'all in the next one, man. I appreciate y'all, man. Peace.